To fix a Snapchat streak in 2025, you need to understand what a streak is and how it works. A Snapchat streak is when you and a friend send each other snaps for consecutive days. If you miss a day, the streak is broken. First, check if you have actually lost your streak by looking at your chat with the friend you had the streak with. If the fire emoji next to your friend's name has disappeared, then your streak is broken. Next, if you believe your streak was lost due to an error or a technical issue, you can contact Snapchat support. To do this, open the Snapchat app, tap on your profile picture, then tap on the settings icon, and scroll down to the support section. In the support section, you will find the option to contact Snapchat support. Describe your issue, including the name of the friend you had the streak with and the date the streak was lost. It is also important to note that Snapchat has a streak repair tool that you can use to report a lost streak. To access this tool, go to the Snapchat support website, click on the Contact Us button, and select the option that says My Snapstreaks Disappeared. You will then be prompted to enter your username, the username of the friend you had the streak with, and the date the streak was lost. After submitting this information, Snapchat will review your request and may restore your streak. To avoid losing your streak in the future, make sure to send a snap to your friend every day. You can set a reminder on your phone to ensure you never forget. Additionally, make sure your app is up to date, as outdated apps can cause technical issues that may result in a lost streak. By following these steps and tips, you can fix your Snapchat streak and keep your streak going.